In question 6, there are two relations, and then the relation between them is over case. So beware of this. The first stage, we are going to handle the first part and also the second part. After we simplify it, we have to draw the conclusion based on the over condition. So we handle the first part first. Group all x to one side. After that, we want to compare x only, so we have to divide both sides by -5. But once you choose to divide both sides by negative, it's trigger a change in the direction. One example is 1 to 3. 3 is larger than 1, but if you consider -1 and -3, that direction is reversed. So x is larger than -12. Don't make any careless mistake here. Or x is smaller than -5. So we have two statements. Now our conclusion is x larger than -12, or x can be smaller or equal to -5. In our graph, we have to draw a number line, and then we have two boundaries. The first boundary is -12, another one is -5. And beware that the smaller one we write in left hand side, the bigger one we write in right hand side here. The first criteria, larger than 12, that means we can select any x in this region. The second criteria is smaller or equal to -5. That means we can select any number in this region, these two regions. So now they are separated to three regions, region 1, 2, 3. We are going to check one by one, see which region fulfill our requirement. The first region is fulfill the second requirement but not the first one. But we are talking about or. That means if any one of them are fulfilled, then we say that region is fine. So this region is fulfill the requirement. The second region fulfill both requirements under or condition is okay. The last region is fulfill the first requirement but not the second. But based on or condition, we accept that also. So if you look at this graph, that means every region is fulfilling our requirement. So our conclusion is these two together, that means no restriction. We can choose all real value of x. This is one of the specific, a little bit special case, but it should be make sense if you check the region one by one and check which region fulfill the requirement you list here. In part B, we have to write down the greatest negative integer satisfying this. Don't forget that based on this, that means we don't have any constraint at all. We can choose any number we know. So the greatest negative integer on our number line, 0. Negative stuff I'm here. Among those, the greatest is -1. So our answer is just simply -1. And don't draw a number line on your exam paper. You may just keep it in draft.